In this video, we are going to see how we can add a new series to an existing chart. As you can see here, we already have a chart which shows the sales for FY20 for the items which are there, which is basically if I select the chart, you can see that the data which is being shown is the one which is being used in the chart. Now, if I want to add the sales FY21 data, which means this data to this chart, what I can do is I can copy this data using Control C and then select this chart and paste this data by using Control V. So you can see that this data, new data, is also added to the chart. Simple. If you want to add a new series to the chart, select that data, copy it and paste on the chart to which you want to add it. Thanks